Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create a script which help us to add multiple users and groups. /bin/bash is the most common shell used as default shell for user login of the Linux system. The shell's name is an acronym for Bourgeois shell. Bash can execute the vast majority of scripts and thus is widely used because it has more features, is well developed and better syntax. First we asking user to choose the option. Option 1 is to create multiple users. Option 2 is to create multiple groups. Here we have file called userlisted.txt which contain all the user details which we need to add. One by one we are fetching the username into I variable and adding the user. Similarly, we have group_addlist.txt which contain information about all the groups which we need to add. One by one we are fetching the group name into I variable and adding the group. If we enter any other option apart from 1 and 2, then script will terminate with message saying sorry, invalid input. Let's execute the script. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment box. I hope you like this video. If you want to learn Python and shell scripting step by step, please check the link in the description box. Thank you.